Welcome to Step 8, where we implement antivirus measures. When we refer to antivirus, we usually mean not just viruses, but all malware, which includes viruses, worms, and Trojans. To protect against malware on end-user workstations, each workstation should have antivirus software installed on it. To protect against malware on servers, each server should have antivirus software installed on it. The antivirus software that you install on servers may be specific to that particular type of server and is generally different than the antivirus software installed on the end-user workstations. To protect all hosts from malware, you can enable gateway antivirus on your firewall to eliminate the malware prior to it ever hitting your hosts. Note that gateway antivirus is not a substitute for host-based antiviruses that we refer to above. Be constantly vigilant that you have the latest virus signatures. Antivirus protection is similar to patch management in that there is new malware discovered daily, and antivirus vendors push new antivirus signatures daily to defend against a specific piece of malware. So, it is not enough to simply have antivirus software installed on a host, but the host also needs to have the latest signatures on it to defend against the latest malware. For Soho systems, this is relatively easy. You simply install antivirus software on your PCs. Most antivirus software upgrades its signatures automatically, and if you periodically double check that the signatures are up to date, then you're probably okay. For enterprise networks, used centralized antivirus management software. What if it is your job to protect a large corporation with a couple of thousand workstations? How can you make sure that all the workstations have antivirus installed on them? And in addition, that they have the latest signatures. You need to use a centralized antivirus management software such as McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator. Using this type of software, you can see every workstation on your network, if each workstation has antivirus software installed, and if each workstation has the latest signatures, and if not, how old they are. As pushing signatures can be resource intensive, you can schedule signature updates to occur outside of business hours. Decide how to handle workstations with out-of-date signatures. If you view a workstation that has out-of-date signatures, you can update them manually. Or software can be configured so that if antivirus protection does not meet minimum criteria, that workstation is quarantined from the network until such time as it is upgraded to meet the minimum criteria. This is referred to as enforced antivirus and can be configured in most typical firewalls. Laptops can be challenging. Note that laptops used by road warriors present more of a challenge to keep protected. For example, the laptop may not even be on the network at the time when the latest signatures are pushed. That is the end of this lecture. Thank you very much for watching.